The Beast, the newest tile saw released by Ridgid, following the 8-inch newly released Ridgid tile saw with the drop-down fence, missing one important spec that this tile saw has, which is the gravity stand. Very, very important, easy to move around. Again, the newest tile saw Ridgid have released. What we're gonna do is very simple, guys. Open it up, unbox, assemble, show you how well it performs, talk about all the new specs this tile saw comes with. It's at a fantastic price, lifetime warranty. I think you guys are gonna love this. Let's get on with the video, unbox this tile saw. Here we go. Let's quickly look at the box. Again, lifetime warranty, unlimited rip cuts on plank tiles or your 4-foot tiles. Rips up to 36 inches, diagonal up to 24 inches, up to 3.5 inches in depth. Plunge cut, of course, you can miter it. Here is your gravity stand, drop fence. Great tile saw, great price point. Let's open her up, unbox, fill her up with water, plug this saw in, make some cuts, and show you the new specs, the new add-ons, new things this tile saw does to make your life easier. Here we go. They're gonna make me assemble the gravity stand. Pain in the butt. Even Lowe's Cobalt brand gives you a pre-assembled gravity stand. So, it's a hot day, gonna break a sweat. Let's assemble the stand. But first, we'll pull out the tile saw. Your motor, pump, your tray, and your water containment trays. Let's put this thing together, shall we? I love these gravity stands. Make it super simple to transport this tile saw from point A to point B rather than picking it up all by yourself, breaking your back. It's a very light tile saw for being a full-size 10-inch. Lot of new specs on this recently designed Beast Ridgid tile saw. We'll talk about the storage, we'll talk about the new specs, plug it in, fill it with water, and show you how well this performs. Okay guys, here's what it looks like all folded up. You have your main tray stored on the bottom of the stand with rubber here. You have your fence stored on the side as well as the cord. Unlike the DeWalt, this can store all of the parts and pieces onto the stand, making it very easy for you, again, to transport from point A to point B. Gravity stand, I love them. Okay, let's open it up, talk about the specs, fill it with water, plug it in, Show you how well this performs. Okay, you've got your rip fence here, your miter guide on top of the table. Here's your large water containment tray, support arm for large format tile, water containment tray to the right as well. Now, underneath the main water containment tray, you have this newly designed support arm that clicks right onto the frame here. It holds the weight of the tile. When you cut and slide, it'll rest right here on the tray. So another new feature is the extended cutting tray. Let's show you. If you're cutting your standard 12 by 24s, you keep it at the standard length here. If you're cutting 3 foot or 4 foot planks or tile, release this pin, the tray extends farther back. Another new feature for the water pump. Pump on with the on and off switch, position 1. Pump always on, position 2. Or pump always off. The pump is also protected from debris with a filter here. And in my opinion, the best new feature is this drop down fence. For your large tiles, we use this all the time, cutting our big 3 foot, 4 foot porcelain tile and planks. Square it up with a square. You can rip easily with no problems. And you have the support bracket underneath the tray to help support those big, large, heavy tiles. Let's make some cuts. 4 foot heavy porcelain, 1/2 inch thick. 4 foot heavy quartz, 3/4 of an inch thick. We'll show you how clean it cuts with this 1/2 inch glass. And we'll test the accuracy with this 4 foot porcelain plank tile. Use a square, real simple to square up the large tiles, so you have good accuracy when you cut. The 4,000 RPM motor should be more than enough power to rip through this 1/2 inch porcelain. Super clean cut. Quartz, 3/4 inch thick, heavy. Glass. Super clean, super accurate. Well, there you go, guys. Awesome saw, fantastic power. You have the gravity stand, which is a new feature, helps you move the tile saw around with ease. The awesome drop-down fence. I mean, the drop-down fence absolutely helps with those long tiles for ripping porcelain planks and your porcelain tiles, as well as your quartz for your curb caps. You have the pump switch off on with the switch or always on. We got the plunge, you can miter at 22.5 or 45. Great water containment trays. Support for the back over here when you rip your long, heavy quartz. And your extended rubber cutting tray as well. Great tile saw, I like it. I think you'll like it also. Good job, Ridgid. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe, tap the bell icon, smash that like button. It really does help, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.